Hey, do you want to learn how to make money online without looking for a full-time job? Don't have to work all day and you are your own boss. No one will boss you around and there are no deadlines to meet. Control your time and you can pace yourself, and you can also work on your bed or couch or on the beach cafe or restaurant. Basically, anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. In today's video, we will be sharing with you a website where you can earn money all at the comfort of your own house, can even earn up to $600 using this method, and is available worldwide or have to invest anything in order to start earning money. This is completely free. If you want to learn more about this method, sure that you watch this video until the end and follow the steps we will be giving you so that you won't get confused and you can start earning money right away. You can make money today if you take action. Before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest videos in our channel on how to make money online. Before anything else, let's take a look how much we can possibly earn using this method. If we go to Amazon.com and search for Kindle ebooks, we will see a lot of people selling these ebooks for a decent amount of money. Scrolling down, we will see that there are more listings and the list goes on and on. This just means that there are a lot of people earning tons of money using this method. And you can do. Let's try to calculate how much a single person earns money using this method. One ebook costs around $14.99, and as many as 33,000 people reviewed this ebook, which means that they had bought this ebook. If it goes to a calculator and enter $14.99 multiplied by 33,000, we get approximately 500,000 earnings. This person selling this ebook made around 500,000, which is a single ebook. That is indeed a lot of money. Now the website we will be using to make these ebooks is called Visme. Go in your default browser's address bar. Type in thisme.co and you should see this page. As you can see right here, this is a tool that will be used to create neat, professional, and beautiful ebooks. They're not just a tool, they're the whole workshop. And you can see an example of what ebooks they make right here. We can earn money by selling an ebook just like this one, and in today's video, we will be teaching you how to do just that. The first step is to select a ready-made template. The second step is to edit the ready-made template. You can change stuff, font style, font size, and many more. The last step is to download your newly made ebook and earn tons of money online. Now, in order to start earning money with this method, you must go up and hover your mouse onto creating and then click documents. And you should see this page right here. Now on this page, you can start creating documents, which in turn will become your own ebook. You can see right here that this is completely free. You don't need to pay even a cent to use this tool. Make professional visual documents in minutes. Easy to customize documents and reports. Get all the templates, charts, tables, and assets you need. Create documents and reports. You can be proud of. Scrolling down, you will see countless examples of documents that you can create using this platform. Now to start creating your document on creating your free document. After that, it will ask you to sign up with your email address, Google or Facebook. Now, for example purposes, we will be choosing to sign up using our email address. It will ask us to enter our full name, email address, and password. Click on Register. Regardless of what you choose to create your account, they will ask you what do you want to use this me for. For our purpose, let's just choose personal. After that, you will see the dashboard right here. Before we proceed with the steps, if this video fits your interests and you're enjoying this journey so far, make sure to like this video and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now continuing on, as we've said, this is your dashboard. Here, you can create different kinds of design, such as reports, plans, proposals, magazines, resumes, cover letters, white papers, media press kits, newsletters, ebooks, surveys, lesson plans, report cards, brand guidelines, training manuals, press releases, case studies, lead magnets, performance reviews, catalogs, and employee handbooks. Now for this method, we will be choosing ebooks, the one and click on ebooks button. After clicking, there will be a lot of templates that you can choose from. As you can see, there are tons of templates that you can use and is ready-made, so you can use it right away with minimal charges. As you can see on Amazon, there are a lot of categories of ebooks for us to choose from. Now, we suggest sticking with health, nutrition, and fitness, as these categories are really profitable and simple. All you want to do is select a template that is suitable for that type of category. After finding the template you want to use, you can click on Preview to check out the template. As you can see, this is a fitness ebook, and you can see the cover page and its content right here. This is perfect for the type of ebook we want to create. Now click on Use this template, and it will take us to the page where you can edit the template. On the right side of the screen, we can see the different pages of the ebook. Now on the left is where you can actually edit the book. In order to make changes to the element, just click on an element you want to edit, and you can then change the text, color, size, and etc. You can also put your name on the ebook right here. Everything can be changed, so feel free to do as you wish. After you're satisfied with an ebook, you can go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Download. You can even download our ebook by clicking on the Download button right here. Now we will be showing you a website that you can copy ebooks from in your address bar. Type in freeplrdownloads.com. This website lets you download some ebooks. This website features different categories of ebooks you can choose from. On the left side, you can see the different categories. Click on Health, as this is our desired category. You can now choose any of these ebooks you like and click on them. After clicking, it should take you to this page. Here, it describes the content of the ebook and its details. Scrolling down, we will see the Download button. Go ahead and click Download. You can then copy the contents of the newly downloaded ebook and paste it on your visme.co ebook. After everything, we want to upload our newly created ebook onto Amazon Kindle. Go to kdp.amazon.com. This website lets you publish your ebook and start earning money. Now you want to sign up on this website by clicking on Sign Up here. Just click on Create your KDP account, and it will ask for your name, email address, and password. After signing up, you can then upload your ebook and make tons of cash absolutely free. And that's it for today. Are you now ready to earn online? This is such an easy way to bring money into your pockets, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you haven't done it yet, remember you can make money today if you take an action. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified immediately whenever we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and together let's learn and earn online. See you in the next video.